Much love, fam, and welcome back. Today I am playing around with a new head wrap I got, or I'm using it for a head wrap anyways. It wasn't sold as a head wrap, but I'm using it for a head wrap. So definitely stay tuned, like this video if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's do it. Okay, fam, so I was at Five Below again, and I was in there specifically looking for a new head wrap. I wanted to try something new, and we've got fall coming in, so it doesn't feel like fall here at all. But I thought there'd be like some new scarves and things I could use for head wraps. As we're changing seasons, I know the stores are changing and stuff, so I thought, ooh, I might find something cute in there. I also found a couple other things, some like, you know, those neck pillows you use on like a plane or whatever. I got a couple of those for my kids, and then I got a new yoga mat for myself, was $5. So this is what I'm going to be using for a wrap, and I'm super excited because it's stretchy. And I've never had a stretchy wrap before. All my other head wraps are, this is how it came. And it was $5 as well. I know that place is called Five Below, but I seem to buy nothing in there but a $5 thing. Here it is. And it's, like I said, a stretchy type material. See that? It stretches this way. Not this way so much. A little bit. But it's super stretchy, super soft. Let me see if it says on here what it is. Hand wash cold, do not bleach. It's polyester. It's 100% polyester. So to give you an idea, all my other head wraps, I'll actually link, I have 2 or 3 head wrap tutorial videos with different styles using this and my other head wraps. So I will link those above for you. But to give you an idea, this is my other head wraps. These are got no stretch at all, and 100% cotton. These are 100% cotton. I woke up like this, you guys. That was my hair from the night. My last video, I was doing some bangs. I was curling my bangs to give myself bangs. And so as you can see, that's completely gone. Those are all gone. All right, let's see. So I'm going to go with the middle part here. Come under the back. Ooh, and this is so nice. Ooh, when it gets chilly, that's going to be nice because it's got so much room, so much fabric. It covers your whole front body. This is nice. I know it's polyester, but ooh, this feels good. I'm going to love this when it gets chilly. I mean, it barely gets chilly here at all, but when it gets chilly, it'll be nice. Where are you guys at? Does it get, you know, do you have like an actual winter with snow and all that good stuff? Let me know down below. Maybe you're already into the winter. I know some people, well, it's fall, but maybe you're already into chilly temperatures. So I'm coming up the back here. Should I leave those out? No, I'm going to put everybody in for this one. And then I'm going to tie it around here in the front. So I'm going to tie this once, twice, 3 times. I might go for a 4th time. And then I'm just going to kind of fold it back up on itself. Maybe I'm gonna go again. I'm gonna go again. Closer to the end here. 4, 5. Then just twist that end part. And I'm going to tuck it into the front of my head here. And then I can work with my big loop here. And just kind of zhuzh it around until I get it how I want it looking. I want some of my scalp out like that. And I should clip that tag. I should clip that tag on all my wraps, and I say that I think every time. And then I still don't clip it. I've had that for years and I still don't clip it. So I should clip that white tag in there because it's really, if it shows, it'll really kind of stand out. But there's my first look. You can see I threw some earrings on because I was like, ooh, I need some hoops, loops, something in here. So I just threw those on. This is like a big flower. I love it. I'm liking it for like a big dramatic look. Definitely winter, because if I wore this out when it was like it is now, not winter, fall as well, but when it is the heat that it is now, it would not be good to go. So definitely I will wait for, because it's so much fabric on top of my head, I will definitely wait until it is a little bit chillier, but I like it. All right, that's one. So for this one, I think I'm gonna do like a turban type because I'm really liking the stretchiness of it, and I think it'll really go for a good around the head kind of turban. So I'm leaving in 1, 2, I think that's 2 of them. I'm leaving in 2 of them, and then I'm just gonna kind of do this to the side and have this, pull this really tight around my head like this to the back. And tie it. So I've got it tied, and then I'm going to twist like this and come up this side. And hopefully tuck in the back here. Tucking in both those twisted ends. And here I am. I kind of like it more near on this. I'm wondering if I should push back like I usually do. Maybe just a little bit. But I'm kind of liking it, you know, kind of close like that. That looks kind of cute. Of course, you know, you do it how it's looking good on your head and fix it how you want to do it. But I think this one's going to be good too. Tuck this in. I'm not sure if this is going to go for like a back bun type of wrap. I'm going to try it, but it is quite big and thick, so it might be like so big on the back of my head. But we'll try it and see. I'm going to do it right now. See how that look goes. I'm just putting everybody back. Got my even sides. Go over here. Make sure. Then I'm going to tie it at the back of my head. So then I'm going to take this side and start twisting it around itself. and then working it around where I want, like my bun or big roll or whatever it is going to wind up being. Let me turn back this way. So twisting on itself and then twisting around, like this is going to be the big area. And then I'm going to tuck the end inside where I've just coiled around. Then I'm going to do this side the opposite way. Knocking my thing out. And then when I get to the end, I just tuck it in again. I was trying to look at the back of my head, film and look at the back of my head to see how it turned out. And I think I'm really loving it. It looks kind of like a big flower back there. So I am liking it and doesn't feel too heavy or anything. So let me know what you think. Okay, so I figured I would take those same twists I have and just go around my head with them and see what happens. Like that a lot. I wonder if I want to put my next one in front of it or behind it. For now, I'm going to go in front of it. Let me see, behind it. Ooh, behind it. Yeah, maybe I'll go behind it. I thought I'd put my next one in front of it, but maybe I'll go behind it. That looks really cute. Let me see. It's bunching up over here. And this came undone. So let me put this side back. I'm going to just tuck it here for now. And then go behind. This. Alrighty. I'm going to tuck this in back here. Oh, I like it too. And that was just, using those same loops from my back one. I like it. Like that? No, I think together. Like that looks really cute. I wonder if I should push it back a little bit. No, I think down. Like that. All right, I think that's it for today. That's my looks for my head wraps. I might try some more when it's not so hot. It's supposed to be fall, but it's hot, y'all. So I'm going to leave it like this and pretend like I have long locks for now. Just kidding. But that is it. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know how you are doing. And I will see you guys all in another few days. All right. Bye.